NAIS member and premium subscriber schools have full access to NAIS Connect online communities to share ideas and resources with peers. Here is a quick overview of how to get started. Sign into connect.nais.org. The first time you log in, you'll be required to agree to the terms and conditions. Once logged in, click on Join a Community, All Communities. Then click the Join button to subscribe to the groups you are interested in joining. Select how often you would like to receive notifications of new discussion posts, in real time or daily, which will arrive in your inbox each morning. Once you've joined a community, visit the group and start a discussion by clicking the blue Add button next to the latest discussion posts. Create your message and press Post. Visit your profile by clicking the Build My Profile button on the Quick Links menu. Click the blue Add button next to each section you wish to update, or simply click Import Your Info to quickly update using your LinkedIn information. Don't forget to add a photo. Under the image on the left side of the screen, click Actions, then Change Picture. From here, you can select the picture you want to use. While still on your profile page, click the My Account tab to edit your privacy settings, community notifications, and much more. After updating your privacy setting, be sure to scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy connecting. If you have any questions at any time, contact us at membership@nais.org.